Morning, everyone. It's 8:52, and this is your pre-opening comment for Tuesday, the 20th, and it's video number 476. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, Asia is mixed, and Europe is lower on COVID fears and the lack of a stimulus program. On top of that, the IMF came out with numbers for expectations for the year for GDP. And in the US, they were down 4.3%, and in Europe, down 8.3%. So, not great. We also had housing starts. Housing starts came in very light, 1.9% versus 3.8 estimates. Building permits were better, though, at 5.2% versus 3.4%. Okay, so just a little bit of news. Goldman Sachs looks like they're going to pay a $2 billion fine for the fiasco in Malaysia. General Motors looks like they're going to build electric vehicles in the Tennessee plant. Pioneer Resources buying Parsley, not a gigantic deal. And Intel, it looks like they're going to get $9 billion for their memory business. Yesterday it was around 10. The stock isn't really doing much, but I'm sure we'll see what goes on there. IBM, as usual, missed on revenues. Only the, 28th time in the last 30 quarters. But they did have double-digit growth in their cloud business. The stock, which closed in New York around 125, traded after the earnings down to 121, is right in that same area now and is down about $3.50. Procter & Gamble beat. Consumer health and cleaning issues are what's jumping that revenues. They're looking for it to continue through 2021. And the stock is currently trading 144.5, up 249. Travelers beat top and bottom. Stock got as high as 116.36. Last is 115.10, up 320 or 2.9%. Logitech absolutely blew away the numbers, and it had closed yesterday at 80. Traded as high as 98.45 this morning. Last is 94.09, and that's up 14.09, or just short of 18%. And their guidance is positive going forward. The chart on the screen is the bonds. They are lower again. This looked like it might be a little bit of a reversal yesterday after touching the support down here at 174, but it came right back down, was never even unchanged. We closed yesterday 174.5. This morning's high is 174.14. So that's only 2/32 or 1/16 lower, but we are trading right near the low here, down 24/32 or 3/4. The stock futures have been all over the place. This morning they were up about as high as almost 200 on the Dow. Then they fell all the way back down to up about 50. And right now they've climbed back up after the housing starts news, up to 130. So that's about the implied open. NASDAQ was up about 80, was up only 20. Last is up about 52. And the S&P is also higher here, up 1688. So 1688 for the S&P, 126 for the Dow, and the Nasdaq up 53.40. All right, everyone, have a good morning, and I'll be back to you later for the closing comment unless I have something in between. And don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button.